In this demo, we want to show how to analyze behavior of a user in an interactive and exploratory environment. MongoDB is used as a back-end database, and for each user we can have a database that once we import the data, we can visually see all the event streams and the events within each event stream. We have life events that it's chronicle of the life events create the personical. We can have activity level events. We can have pollution, temperature, and so on. Life events are detected using a concept lattice analysis framework that we have developed before. By analyzing the relation between different attributes, different observations from a smartphone, and the life events that we have defined. For different life events, for example, transportation means that the user is using a car or any other vehicle transportation type. Leaving home and arriving home are detected by continuously observing the GPS readings. And for example, staying home or sleeping are also detected with other sensors that detect the motion or environmental light. By analyzing the surrounding pollution and temperature, we can create a pollution event stream and temperature event stream as well to see how these environmental factors affect the behavior. What I want to show in this demo is how the concept of behavior can be analyzed using two co-occurrence matrices. This one that you see is sequential co-occurrence, that we can analyze the co-occurrence between different life events. And different time lags can be considered. Here we want to analyze within 5 minutes time interval, within 15-minute time interval, and so on. What you see is a co-occurrence matrix that by changing this time lag, we can have different co-occurrences with different time lags between the events. The intensity of each pixel here shows the amount of co-occurrence between two life events. As you see here, there is a co-occurrence with significant value between leaving home and cycling. So this shows that the user was using bicycle as a main transportation medium. And once we click on that, we can see this pattern, leaving home followed by cycling within this specific time interval. We can add this pattern for further analysis in the hypothesis-driven processing, but I don't talk about that part in this demo. So this demo is only about the bottom-up technique and how we can analyze some of the patterns with this data-driven processing and how some patterns come to surface for further analysis. Also, we can easily change the time unit to be an hour, and then we can analyze the relation between the events within 1 hour or within 2 hours. This is a new co-occurrence matrix with 1 hour time lag. And we can see that there is this relation between cycling and attending a class. So this means that within 1 hour of cycling, the student attends a class. So this is another pattern that shows our first hypothesis that user is using bicycle to go to school is a valid hypothesis. We can do the same analysis for all other 20 students. Also, I show how we can analyze another co-occurrence matrix for one of the other users. For this user, the life event stream and life events that are defined within that stream are the same. We put life event as the input for concurrent co-occurrence, and you see that this matrix is symmetric, and it shows that what is the concurrent co-occurrence value between two events. In this one, we don't have the order between events, but we just want to see that if events are happening in parallel with some temporal overlap. That you see here, you see that once the student is attending class, they are doing web surfing or using other social media. This pattern can also be further analyzed.